If your ONN Roku TV remote suddenly stops working, it can be frustrating. You press buttons and nothing happens. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most accurate and effective troubleshooting steps to get your remote working again quickly. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first and most common cause of a non-working ONN Roku remote is weak or dead batteries. Even if the remote was working recently, batteries can lose power suddenly. Remove the battery cover and take the batteries out. Check for corrosion or white residue inside the battery compartment. Insert a fresh pair of new alkaline batteries, making sure the positive and negative ends are aligned correctly. Step 2. Clear line of sight. Most ONN Roku TV remotes use infrared signals to communicate with the TV. Infrared requires a clear path between the remote and the TV's sensor, usually located at the bottom center of the screen. Make sure nothing is blocking the sensor, such as decorations, soundbars, or dust buildup. Point the remote directly at the TV and try again. Step 3. Repair the remote. If your ONN Roku remote is a voice remote or enhanced remote, it may connect wirelessly instead of using infrared. In this case, the remote might have lost its pairing connection. Open the battery compartment and look for a pairing button. Press and hold the pairing button until you see a flashing light. Wait for the TV to display a pairing message. If there is no pairing button, try holding the home and back buttons together for about 10 to 20 seconds to initiate pairing. Step 4. Reset the remote. Sometimes the remote may experience a small internal glitch. Resetting it can clear the issue. Remove the batteries from the remote. Then, press and hold any button on the remote for about 20 to 30 seconds to discharge any leftover power. After that, reinsert the batteries and try using it again. Step 5. Check for damage. If none of the previous steps work, the remote may be physically damaged. Drops, spills, or worn-out buttons can cause internal failure. You can test whether the remote is sending an infrared signal by pointing it at your phone's camera and pressing a button. If you see a blinking light through the camera, the remote is transmitting. If you see nothing, the remote may be defective and need replacement. Step 6. Replace the remote. When troubleshooting steps fail, replacing the remote is usually the final solution. You can purchase a replacement ONN Roku remote, a Roku voice remote, or a compatible universal Roku remote. Replacement remotes are generally affordable and easy to set up. Once paired correctly, your TV should function normally again.